At this moment, let's begin a meditation to attract the energy of wealth and blessings. Breathe in slowly, allowing yourself to feel relaxed. As you exhale, imagine all worries and negative thoughts leaving your body. I am a being of abundant wealth and blessings. Every day, I experience this abundance. My life is filled with opportunities and possibilities, and I am ready to embrace them. Now tell yourself in your heart, I let go of my fears of success. I am worthy of success in all areas of my life. My dreams and goals are already coming true. Take a deep breath and feel the infinity of your potential. I am abundant in talent and ability. I have the power to achieve everything I desire. I am filled with positive energy that attracts wealth and abundance. My thoughts and actions draw prosperity and richness to me. Spend a few moments in silence, feeling the wealth and blessings entering your heart. Visualize how this wealth and blessings integrate into your life. Every day, I attract joy and abundance into my life. I accept that all good things naturally flow to me. Feel the energy of wealth and blessings deeply in your heart as we end this meditation. Allow that wealth and blessings to deeply settle in your life. As you return to your daily routine after this meditation, may this positive energy stay with you. I am a being with the power to attract wealth and blessings. My life is filled with endless possibilities. Keep these affirmations in your heart and return to your day. May the abundance of wealth and blessings be with you today and every day. Open your eyes in peace and greet the new day. Thank you.
Om Lakshmi Bam Shri Kamaladaram Swaha. 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 Om Lakshmi Bam Shri Kamaladaram